Caitlin here with Phoenix Lighting. Today I'm here to demonstrate our newest launch fixture, the SturdiSignal LED navigation light. With ABS and UL 1104, this fixture is completely repairable, durable, and intelligent. Unlike other fixtures that let in moisture, our fixture is completely resistant against corrosion and condensation. This fixture is completely modular, which means that these parts can be replaced in the field without any tools or electrician. The light is offered in a single head, a double head, or an autonomous version where the LED continuously rotates for each power cycle, turning on the bottom one and rotating to the top one, essentially extending the life of your LED module. This fixture also has monitoring capabilities. Let's see how it works. This is a 225-degree autonomous double head LED module. I'm now going to demonstrate the autonomous capabilities. With every power cycle, the LEDs rotate from top to bottom, essentially doubling the lifetime of your LED. By placing a filter over the LED monitor, once the intensity falls, an alarm will trigger and your LED will flash 3 times, switching to the secondary LED. This fixture is designed for any vessel 20 meters or above and competitively priced. With a variety of colors and distance ranges, we are able to provide safe and reliable navigation lighting for all locations. A compatible alarm panel with a variety of options to best suit your preference will also be available soon as well. For more information, please feel free to email me or visit our website at phoenixlighting.com. Thank you.